Alright, so in this video, we're going to be showing you guys how to move your crypto from crypto.com to Robinhood. So this is a fairly step-by-step process, but make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss anything. So the first thing you're going to have to do is simply make sure Robinhood supports the crypto you're trying to transfer. So just remember, not all coins are available for deposits just yet. So just make sure to double check in the Robinhood app under crypto transfers before starting. Then next, once you're on the Robinhood app, you're then going to have to go to the crypto tab. Then from there, select the coin you want to deposit, and you then have to tap receive to get your unique wallet address. So simply copy that address because you need it in a second. So this is where you're then going to have to head over to crypto.com. So once you're on crypto.com, you then have to go to wallets, then crypto wallets. So that's wallets, then crypto wallet. Then simply select the crypto you want to send and tap transfer, withdraw, then external wallet. And you then need to paste in your wallet address that you copied from Robinhood. So there's going to be a recipients field, so simply paste it right there. And finally, you will then have to enter the amount, then double check everything and confirm. So there's likely going to be some extra security verification, so this could be anything like two-factor authentication, email verification, and so on. But once you do all that, your crypto will pretty much be on its way from crypto.com to Robinhood. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you in the next one.